Let's clear something up. Some Filipinos claim Filipino culture is very similar to Polynesian culture. And yeah, both have tattoos, outrigger boats, coconuts, and even some shared words. But that doesn't mean they're the same. And here's why. Tattoos. Filipino tattoos, called batok, batek, or patek, were done with hand-tapped tools and geometric designs tied to tribal identity, achievements, and protection. Polynesian tattoos, like Samoan tatau or Maori tomoko, are very different, covering large parts of the body tied to genealogy, social rank, and spirituality. Filipino tattoos were largely lost over time due to colonization and cultural changes. Filipino tattoo traditions are actually more similar to other Southeast Asian traditions, like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Taiwan, because of shared Austronesian roots. Canoes. The outrigger canoe exists all over Southeast Asia, not just Polynesia. Polynesians innovated double-hulled canoes for thousands of miles ocean voyages. Filipino boats were smaller and meant for coastal and inter-island travel, not trans-Pacific exploration. Food. Filipino cuisine is very different from Polynesian cuisine. Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, sisig, lechon, lumpia, and pancit are shaped by local ingredients, Southeast Asian influence, and later Spanish and Chinese interactions. Polynesian dishes include poi, kalua pig, oke, and taro-based sides, prepared very differently, often underground or with taro and coconut. Some Filipinos say, "We cook pig too." Yes, both cook pork, but the techniques are very different. Filipino roast pork, lechon, is usually spit-roasted with herbs, citrus, and seasonings. Polynesian kalwa pig is cooked in an underground oven with hot rocks, producing a smoky, tender flavor. And this Filipino cooking style is closer to other Southeast Asian cuisines, like Indonesia and Malaysia, than to Polynesia. Language. Some Filipinos point out similarities like counting 5 as lima. Yes, Filipino languages share words like that with Polynesian languages, but so do other Southeast Asian languages. Polynesian languages are very unique. Most words end with a vowel, which makes them sound distinct. Filipino languages are much closer to Indonesian, Malay, and other Southeast Asian languages in grammar, vocabulary, and structure. Finally, when some Filipinos say, "Filipinos climb coconut trees too," as a way to compare cultures, that's rude and dismissive. Polynesians have a rich culture, history, and identity far beyond coconut trees. Reducing it to that ignores everything that makes Polynesian culture unique. In conclusion, Filipino culture is rooted in Southeast Asia. Languages, traditions, and practices are closest to Indonesia, Malaysia, and other Austronesian neighbors, not Polynesia. They share some distant Austronesian roots. Yes, but histories and cultures evolved in very different ways.